Hi, this is Rahim Zulfikar Ali from Excel Basement, and in this video we will be learning about two things which are very essential in Microsoft Excel. The first thing is that we have income statement from the period of January till June, and what if we want this same income statement from June till January. We need to reverse all these columns, and we need the latest one to be put on the first column just right after the income statement titles. So this report is basically from January to June, and we want to switch it from June to January. So we need to reverse all the columns. I will be telling you that how we can do, and then we will be look another query, which is we have a list of medals as won by the athletes, and we want to sort this list into this sequence, which is gold, silver and bronze. So how we can do that in Microsoft Excel? So first get start that if we have this income statement or any other kind of report, and we have a certain time period or a criteria, and we need to reverse that report, how we can do? First we need to select that particular area which needs to be reversed or comes from left to right or right to left. So I just selected the column from January till June, and in the home tab we have an option that is called sort and filter. If you can see on my screen, you will find sort and filter option. When I click on sort and filter button, I will go to this custom sort option, and in the custom sort options, when you click on this, you will find a sorting dialog window. Here we need to do 2-3 changes. The first one is you have to click on the button which is called options. So click on options button, and you will find one more small window on your screen. So by default the orientation is set from top to bottom. We just need to click on sort left to right and then press OK. So first change we have made is we have changed the sorting orientation, which is sort left to right, and then we need to identify the base row. Now all our months are listed on row number 1 here. As you can see, in your scenario might be it can be different. So in my scenario I need to benchmark the row number 1, and in the order I don't have to select A to Z or Z to A, otherwise all the months will be ordered by the alphabetically. What I will do is I will click on custom list, and then I will select the month names which are in short format from here, and then I will press OK. So as soon as I did this step, I will get two options in my order menu, which is from Jan till December, and then second one is December till Jan. So I will click on the second option and press OK. So very quickly my report columns has been reversed, and now I can see June as my latest month, and then May, April and following till the January. So I hope you like this technique, that how we can sort from left to right. Now the second technique in this video is that we have a list of medals, and there are 3 kind of medals: gold, silver and bronze, and we need to sort according to this order. First we need to have the gold, then silver and then bronze. So if we select this list and we can sort this according to A to Z or Z to A, this will be wrong ideally based on this listing. Or if we can go to custom sorting and we can select the custom list option, we don't have particular any list here. So what we can do is Microsoft Excel comes with very good feature which is called the adding your custom list, and then we can apply in the sorting options. For doing that we have 2 options available. First we can go to directly from this area, from the home tab, and then on the right side you will find the sort and filter and then custom sort, and here in the sort window you need to click on custom list, and you have to define the list accordingly you want to sort in future. So for example, if I write first I want gold to be sort, comma space, then silver medals, comma space then bronze medals. Okay, and I click on the add button. As soon as I click on add button, I have created one custom list and press OK. So now you can see that I have two kinds of orders as my customization: gold, silver and bronze, and bronze, silver and gold. Right, press OK. You can say cancel. Now what we need to do is we need to select this medal list, again custom sorting, and we can check that we have this list of gold, silver and bronze. We'll press OK, and then again finally OK for the sorting. So very quickly we have just sorted the list according to our customization. So you can create your own list according to your reporting format, and you can apply this feature as well. Thank you.